Hello guys, welcome back to Savage Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I will tell you about 5 crazy facts about keyboard. You might have noticed whenever you are using keyboard on PC or laptop that why the keys are not arranged in alphabetical order, why there is a bump on F and J key, why the spacebar is too wide, and many more questions. All these questions we will discuss in this video. So guys, let's begin. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. The first thing that we will discuss is that why the keys on the keyboard are not alphabetically arranged, why they are arranged randomly. To know the reason, we have to go to past. In the early times when keyboard newly invented, during the invention time of keyboard, the keys are alphabetically arranged. Due to this, the typing was so easy and people started typing so quickly. That's why the keys are started damaging so fastly. To fix this problem, the keys were arranged randomly, so the speed of typing reduces. This is crazy guys. The keys arranged randomly to reduce the typing speed. Wow. Now most of you will say that if in that times keyboard was damaged fast typing, so why would this not happen nowadays? So the answer is the material used in making of keyboard is very good as compared to the past and the technology as well. Our second fact is about why there is a bump on F and J button. This fact is also related to professional typers. I hope you know that who are professional typers, they never look at the keyboard, they always look at the screen while typing. Always their eyes focus at display and their hands are moving on keyboard, and they type very fast and accurate. If you ever learn typing or you ever seen a professional typer, then you know that they put their right hand index finger on J and left hand index finger on F. Because of this, their all fingers reach all over the alphabetical buttons so easily. Suppose you are typing while sitting in a dark room, or you are looking at the display and you don't want to look at the keyboard. Then how you can find the F and J key? Yes, you can find F and J key by feeling that bump. Let's move on our next fact. That is why the spacebar is too wide. If you ever seen that all buttons on our keyboard are small, but only spacebar is too wide. 6 buttons can come at the same places it comes. This fact is also related to the previous one, as I already told you that when professional typers are typing, then their index fingers of both hands are on F and J key, and they use their both thumbs to press the spacebar. If they wrote last word by left hand, then they will use left thumb to press the spacebar, and if they wrote last word by right hand, then they will use right thumb to press the spacebar. Now most of you will ask that why they use both thumbs to press the spacebar, because spacebar can be pressed by one thumb too. So the reason is this method is so quick and easy. Our fourth fact is about that why we press enter key so hardly. So guys, there is not any actual reason that why we press enter key so hardly, but according to me, we press the enter key so hardly because whenever our typing is complete or we have to move on to next paragraph, then we press the enter key so hardly, because the excitement in our mind that I completed my task or I completed a paragraph, so the excitement forces us to press the enter key so hardly. There is one more reason to press the enter key so hardly, that is when we are typing, a finger is thrust on a button, but when we press the enter button, then we lift our entire hand from the rest of the keys and hit the enter key. So the thrust of entire hand, we press the enter button so hardly. Fact is about why there is a separate numerical pad on some keyboards. There are some keyboards which have not separate numerical pad, but most of the keyboards have a separate numerical pad. We didn't need a separate numerical pad. I will tell you which type of people need a separate numerical pad. People who have to type numbers more often, so they purchase a keyboard with a separate numerical pad. Because while typing numbers, they are more comfortable at the separate numerical pad. The separate numerical pad is mostly used in the calculation. People who didn't need a separate numerical pad or want a small keyboard, they always buy a keyboard with no separate numerical pad. Guys, that's all for today. If you enjoy the video, then like it and subscribe to the channel to watch more interesting videos.